How does a new creator use Ryza? If you want to create content, you can explore our pages or start by going to the main dashboard. Remember that the first time around, the selections can appear to be overwhelming, but they are necessary to prevent your content from going haywire. We will start with a LinkedIn post, but you can choose Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms. Digital marketing is the cornerstone of Ryza, but you can add 2 other expert fields if you like. This is Lynn's first time creating content, so there is some confusion about what to enter into the mode focus. For simplicity, we will copy and paste key aspects from his website to generate content. Lynn creates fine art to sell to collectors, corporations, or just art enthusiasts. As an advanced creator, if Lynn wants, he can choose his own colors and include his logo into the generated infographic. For now, we will leave these blank. It is okay to leave other things to their default values when you first start creating content. As you get more familiar with Ryza, and Ryza learns your style, these selections can be very handy. Submit selections when ready to view them and identify if you want or need to make any corrections before you generate output for your selected platform. You can edit some or all parts of the output, if you like. You will see that instead of trying to highlight Lynn's personal story, the LinkedIn output has been adjusted to address a business or corporate audience using his key strengths and offerings, without jumping into a sales mode. Once you make desired edits, click on the Save Edits button before choosing to create an infographic prompt. Now, Lynn can copy and paste his post directly to LinkedIn or download a text file to use it later. Once you click on the Generate Infographic prompt, elements from the text output we just created are used by Ryza to create a back-end prompt highlighting the main points of the post. Note that the colors are custom selected from a range of color combinations that will be appealing and not generic like most AI output tends to be. Now, here's a glitch that often occurs in the early stage use of Ryza. Notice how the infographic prompt ended up jumbling up the colors and instructions in the prompt. This is precisely why users should edit it. Over time, as Ryza learns your style, these glitches will become rare. After making the edits to the infographic prompt, click the Save Edits button. Thereafter, you can choose to generate image or video. For simplicity, let us just generate an image for Lynn to use. And voila! The entire process took about 3 minutes to generate the post and the image based on just the information that Lynn had on his website. As he starts using Ryza more and more, and trains the platform on his voice, the output will get faster and more accurately represent his brand and business.